Are you tired of lugging around heavy, cumbersome vacuums that tether you to an outlet? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to effortless cleaning with the BISSELL CleanView XR lightweight cordless vacuum. This sleek and powerful vacuum is designed to tackle messes from floor to ceiling, giving you the freedom to clean wherever dirt is to hide. Let's delve into why this vacuum is a game changer for anyone seeking a cleaner, healthier home environment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Every purchase makes a difference. Picture this. Every time you clean your home, you're not just eliminating dust and dirt, you're also making a difference in the lives of homeless pets. With every purchase of the BISSELL CleanView XR lightweight cordless vacuum, you're supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation and its noble mission to save homeless pets. It's cleaning with purpose, knowing that you're contributing to a cause that's close to our hearts. Unmatched cleaning power. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. This vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. With a 40% more powerful motor than the Shark Wand Vac, the BISSELL CleanView XR delivers superior suction that effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Say goodbye to stubborn messes that cling to surfaces and hello to a home that's truly clean from top to bottom. Cordless freedom, endless possibilities. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited reach with the BISSELL CleanView XR lightweight cordless vacuum. With up to 35 minutes of runtime in standard mode, you'll have plenty of time to tackle every room in your home without being tethered to an outlet. Need a quick cleanup? Switch to turbo mode for up to 10 minutes of powerful suction that's perfect for spot cleaning and tackling stubborn messes. Versatility at your fingertips. From floors to ceilings and everything in between, the BISSELL CleanView XR does it all. With its 3-in-1 capabilities, this vacuum easily transforms from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny with ease. Whether you're vacuuming carpets, upholstery, or tight spaces, the included dusting brush, bristle brush, and crevice tool have you covered. A cleaner home, a healthier you. Did you know that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? With the SmartSeal allergen system, the BISSELL CleanView XR traps dust allergens while you vacuum, helping to keep your home clean and your family healthy. Plus, with its convenient wall mount and flexible charging options, you can keep your vacuum charged and ready to go whenever you need it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.